All right, well, this is going to be a great little tutorial on how to get your knees to go to extension without hyperextending, get stronger in your calf muscles, and actually develop more control of your pelvis so you're not so arched. So we're going to be on 2 reds and a blue because we're going to work on our precision of movement. And then you're going to lie down. You're going to spread all 10 toes, and then your heels are lifted like you're wearing some grandma shoes. That means you're lifted about 1.5 to 2 inches. Then we're going to feel like a bowling ball fell from the ceiling onto your tummy, and you actively cave your whole tummy in so your back is flat. You're not in neutral. So from here, you're going to inhale. You're going to keep those grandma shoes on, and you're going to pull those Achilles tendons or your heels up as you push the smile of your butt down. And then you're going to come back in with an exhale. So once again, heels are stable. You might start to think about drawing the heels up a little bit more. Keep that cave. Very good. And then to make it harder, you just walk down the slope. What am I talking about? Jumpboard. And we got our heels there. Start drawing those Achilles tendons up. Push the smile of your butt down as you keep the active cave. That's your inhale. Exhale as you return. So the heels are basically staying on those grandma shoes, but you're drawing the heels up. You have the sense of that as you press this down. Nice. And then you can get even further down. And then you're pressing, feel like you're activating the Achilles tendons, so your heels aren't really lifting any higher, and then you're pressing down through here. Nice. So we're not focusing on extending the knees, we're thinking about Achilles tendons, and then we start to push here. So sometimes it feels like a tug of war, and then you're staying active through the core. Nice. Awesome. Well, I hope you found that tip helpful for getting better control of your knees, working your calves and your feet, and getting more control of your low tummy with your pelvis. Get hooked on Pilates.